Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Efficient kitchen organization is a fundamental aspect of maximizing space while elevating your home decor. Commence your journey towards an organized kitchen by decluttering, parting with items that are no longer useful. Once you have achieved a clutter-free environment, consider vertical storage solutions such as wall-mounted shelves and racks, which liberate your counter cabinet spaces. Drawer dividers maintain order and ensure that utensils, cutlery, and small kitchen tools have designated space for dry goods and spices. Pull-out pantry shelves provide accessibility and visibility. Don't underestimate the power of labels on containers, jars, and bins for quick ingredient identification. Pot racks are not only a functional storage solution but also an aesthetic addition to your kitchen. Illuminate your workspace with under cabinet lighting, creating a pleasant ambience that enhances your kitchen's overall decor. Magnetic strips on cabinet doors offer convenient storage for knives and spices, and you can repurpose old furniture to introduce a unique touch. Regular maintenance rounds of the organization process, ensuring your kitchen remains efficient and visually appealing. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.